2012 Boss 302 at Krause Family Ford in Woodstock, Georgia. Woo! Look at that.
Look at that intake.
Serious.
That's so pretty.
Look at the strut bar.
Look at the blue.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this thing is
ridiculous.
Like takes up the entire compartment.
They even put the aftermarket strut shocks on it too.
Wow.
Remember I did that to the white car? Badass, man. Mickey Thompson race tires. It's wicked.
I'm gonna start it up.
Hit it. Wicked car. Only has 10,000 miles on it. Wicked. Look at those pipes back here. Flowmaster exhaust. So it's got aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket intake. Hit it. Yes. Nice. Woo. Recaro racing seats. Car is basically flawless. Got the cue ball stick shift knob. Very minimal. No bells and whistles. It's just made to cut loose. Fast car. Fucking fast. It's at Krause Family Ford in Woodstock, Georgia. We'll put a link down below. Ask for Bill in sales. And that's not me. I just know the guy.